In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your sales tax settings in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're adjusting existing tax rates or adding new ones, this process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Let's get started by opening your web browser. I recommend using Chrome for the best experience, as it's known for its compatibility and smooth performance with various online tools, including QuickBooks Online. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you're logging in for the first time or haven't saved your credentials, make sure to have them handy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a variety of options designed to help you with different financial tasks. Click on Taxes. This will take you to the Taxes section where you'll find everything related to sales tax. Within the Taxes section, locate and click on Sales Tax. This area is crucial for businesses that are required to collect and remit sales tax. You should see a page listing your existing sales tax rates and agencies. At the top right corner or close to the sales tax name, you'll notice a gear icon which represents sales tax settings. Click this icon to access more detailed settings. Here, you'll obtain an overview of your current sales tax agencies and rates. To make changes, simply click on the tax name you wish to edit. Alternatively, look for an edit icon next to the rate you want to modify. A new window will open, allowing you to update the tax rate percentage. Ensure you double-check any changes for accuracy, as this information directly affects your financial records and compliance. If your business has expanded, or if you need to accommodate a new tax jurisdiction, you may need to add a new sales tax rate. Locate the option that says Add Rate or Add Sales Tax. A form will appear prompting you to enter the new tax name, the rate you wish to apply, and the corresponding tax agency. Be meticulous when filling out this information to prevent any errors in future transactions. Once your edits or additions are complete, don't forget to click Save. This action will confirm your changes and immediately update your sales tax settings. From now on, every time you generate invoices or sales receipts through QuickBooks, the updated sales tax rates will automatically be applied, saving you time and ensuring your records are accurate. And that's it, a straightforward process that keeps your business accounting in perfect order. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult QuickBooks' help resources or reach out to their support team. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep your books in shape and see you next time.